Listen up, legends. There's a damn volcano inside you. Stop pretending it's a candle. Quit bottling that fire. Quit simmering in silence. The world doesn't need more lukewarm souls. It needs relentless, raging energy. Let your drive rip through excuses like lava through stone. Passion isn't a luxury. It's your secret weapon. Erupt with intention. Blast through every obstacle and scorch your doubts into ash. You're not here to tiptoe. You're here to stomp, shake, and set the world ablaze. Today, demand more from yourself. Let the eruption begin.